So today I'm gonna be back with my first YouTube video in like, it's an embarrassing amount of time, but that's okay. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a set of press-on nails, and they're gonna be red bottom press-on nails. So this could be a little tricky when you want to do different types of styles on the nail and have it red bottom. So like for instance, today we're gonna be doing a black French press-on nail. So yeah. And since I don't like wasting people's time, we're just gonna get right into the video, okay? Okay, y'all, so I already prepped the press-on nails. For the sake of this video, I'm only gonna be doing one nail, that will be the French style. I'm gonna choose, let's choose the thumb. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the thumb, a French, okay. Okay, so I'll just be using the Modelones base coat. Love this stuff. Also love the top coat. It's my preferred choice. And it is dry. That goes to show how much I love it. Okay, there we go. So a lot of the times, for some reason, every single time I've been watching, like, I want to say new age nail artists, they tend to like skip this step, and I highly don't recommend skipping the base coat step. Why do I say this? Even with press-on nails, nail art tends to be a lot easier when you have a smoother base coat on there. So if you're doing nail art, like, I get it, maybe if you're doing like one color, solid color, you could get away with it, but I would highly suggest that if you're doing nail art, to use a base coat, okay? It'll make your life a lot easier. So my client wanted a red and sparkly base red bottom, so I'm gonna be using this. I'm not sure if it's really coming off on camera. Let me see if I can clear that up. Okay, so I feel like she wanted like a chunky glitter. I'll like link the inspo that she sent me. So I think I'm gonna use this because I don't really have a chunky glitter like red color. Didn't realize that was a thing. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this to incorporate like a little bit of like chunkiness. Okay, so we're gonna see how we're gonna go about that now. Thinking I want to do it to the underside of the nail, but let's draw on the line first, because like I said, we're going to be doing this a French, French. Because I want the red bottom to be like a really nice stark red, I'm going to be going over it with this color, a 420 from the Beetles, the same Beetles collection. Okay, now we're gonna get started with the base color. So the reason why I did it in this order is so that way the base color wouldn't overshadow like the red bottom portion of the nail. So now we're gonna paint the base color, and then we'll go back in with the black. Okay, so now that we got the two base colors down, you can see it's a little overspilling. I mean, I hope you can see. So we're going to clean that up with the black French. Okay, just going to be using Beetles gel polish. Okay, y'all, so I made an amateur mistake. I black and especially black and white gel polishes. This is what's going to happen if you do not make sure that the polish is thin enough before you cure it. So now we have to make sure, now we have to correct this mistake. So let's do that. Now we're gonna be adding some bling. My Makartt gel glue. I use this for so many things. Okay, this is what the nail looks like on top. We're gonna just be top coating and then turning her over to finish it off. So we're just gonna pop her off, see what we're dealing with. As you can see, the black really kind of distorted the red color. First let's get in lint-free wipe. Okay, so I really wanted to use the chunky glitter, but I'm trying to figure out how to do this like in an easier way, possibly. Why don't I have a chunky red glitter? Like, that would have solved all my problems, but I digress. So I'm gonna see if this works. I had like a little bit of red left on the palette, so I'm just mixing that with some of this chunky glitter. Ooh, thought I was in frame. Okay, so I'm mixing some of the leftover red that I had on the palette with the chunky glitter and some top coat to see if maybe we could just do all of it at the same time. Really, all we need to do is like brighten up the underside and add some chunky glitter because that's what she wanted. So let's see if this helps the process. Okay, so I'm having a hard time like keeping it in place. So what I'm gonna do is get my flash cure lamp and just see if I can like hold it. Well, actually, I don't have to hold the flash cure lamp, but see if I can just cure and hold, you know what I'm saying? Like push and cure, push and cure. Let's make sure. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done, and this is the finished product. Sorry, my son is very aggravated with me. He's clearly done for the night, and he wants his mommy. So this is the end results. They came out really, really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to flip them over and show you the bottom, but I already showed you one anyway, but I'm being summoned. Okay. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.